Chronic pain, chronic smoke. To the good days I say adios. As I light it up I say bye to love and all the memories I've been piling up. Fall in love, fall apart. Should've seen it coming at me from the start. Half the battle, half the heart. Sitting there with smoke clouds in the dark. But I know something she don't know, that my heart is made of coal. Love's fire done burn my soul. That's why you see all this smoke. I need a change so I switch lanes, driving fast to escape the pain. But still I drive the same roads that we drove when we blow, that we smoke out that window. I gotta feel if I won't plead though, to find your heart in repo, the love you used to give to me. Cause now I see things differently, cause loving just ain't shit to me unless you love me back. It ain't no point to want you back, so I'll keep driving around my hometown, listening to songs about things that we don't talk about, and love that just ain't working out. Chronic pain, chronic smoke, highs that got no come downs, till the day that I'm high enough that I don't see your face around my hometown. All these memories so fresh 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 around my hometown. All these memories so fresh, I can't never get no rest. I've been up for like 2 weeks straight, sipping juice, I can't concentrate, telling myself it's a big mistake that my baby ain't here today. But I know you're gone for good, that you ain't coming back, and that's understood. You used to show me that real love, since you've been gone now feel love. It's 6 AM, I'm still love, busting down this real love. How could I forget you? You are my buried treasure. This X on my map got a hex on my mind, so I can't get no rest, and I stress all the time, and this weight on my chest is just pulling me down. But I hope one day that you hear my song, and your pretty little heart start to sing along, and you cry me a river but a bridge to home. Don't make me spend another fucking night alone, cause my love lost and no love found. So I smoke and drive on my side of town, and I pour it up and I bust it down from sun up to sundown. Chronic pain, chronic smoke, highs that got no come downs, till the day that I'm high enough that I don't see your face around my hometown. All these memories so fresh around my hometown. All these memories so fresh around my hometown. All these memories so fresh around my hometown.